Right now, auto glass companies are making billions off a problem you could fix with two things already sitting in your kitchen. Two things. One costs nothing, the other costs less than $1. And together, they permanently eliminate foggy, steamy, condensation-covered car windows. The same problem that millions of drivers deal with every single morning. The same problem that auto shops charge you $150, $200, sometimes $400 to treat. You have been paying for a solution that corporations deliberately buried decades ago. They buried it because it worked too well. Because if you knew this, you would never spend another dollar on window treatments, anti-fog sprays, or interior dehumidifier kits ever again. What I am about to show you has been quietly removed from mainstream knowledge since the 1960s. Stay until the end, because the last tip will completely shock you. Think about what foggy windows actually cost you. Not just money, though that's coming, but time, stress, and genuine danger. Every single morning, millions of people sit in their cold cars, blasting the defroster, wiping the windshield with their sleeve, waiting 5, 10, sometimes 15 minutes just to see clearly enough to drive. That is not a minor inconvenience. That is your life being stolen from you, one foggy morning at a time. And in winter, it gets worse. You're running late. The windows fog up from the inside. You can't see anything. You're wiping with a cloth that just smears everything around. You're breathing cold air, stressed, already behind. And then it happens again on the highway. That terrifying moment when interior condensation creeps back up while you're moving at 70 miles per hour. People have accidents because of this, real accidents. And what does the industry tell you? Buy our $18 anti-fog spray. Buy our $35 interior moisture absorber. Buy our $90 car dehumidifier kit. And here's the thing, none of it works permanently. You spray it, it lasts 3 days, maybe a week, then you're back to fogging up again. Auto detailing shops offer a professional interior moisture treatment that runs anywhere from $150 to $400 depending on your city. They use a machine that looks impressive, they spray some chemicals, they hand you back your car, and within 2 weeks, the fog is back. You paid $300 for 2 weeks of clarity. The global automotive accessories market makes over $500 million per year, just from anti-fog and window treatment products. That is $500 million taken from regular people who simply want to see through their own windshield. You are the product. Your problem is their profit. And they have been protecting that profit for a very long time. Here is what they do not want you to know. In the early 1950s, researchers working on wartime aircraft cockpit visibility discovered something extraordinary about activated charcoal and porous fiber materials. Military aircraft had the same condensation problem. Pilots losing visibility mid-flight due to interior moisture. The solution they found was shockingly simple. Activated charcoal, paired with a fine fiber filtration layer, created a passive moisture absorption system so effective that cockpit fogging was virtually eliminated without any electrical components, chemicals, or ongoing treatment. This discovery worked. It worked beautifully. It worked permanently. And then, in 1962, as the American automotive industry was exploding, Ford, GM, Chrysler, all lobbying heavily for accessory product lines, this research was quietly classified under aviation proprietary agreements. Not because it was dangerous, not because it was flawed, but because it was free. The automotive window treatment industry was just beginning to form. Chemical companies were signing multi-million-dollar supply agreements with dealerships and auto shops. A free kitchen item solution would have destroyed that market before it even started. They spent enormous resources keeping this buried in technical aviation literature that no everyday driver would ever read. Only researchers, certain mechanics, and a small number of DIY communities ever pieced it together. These are the same communities that get labeled as conspiracy theorists and pseudoscience channels. Because when something threatens a billion-dollar industry, that industry has the marketing budget to control the narrative. What I am about to show you is not pseudoscience. It is the same moisture absorption physics used in industrial humidity control systems, museum artifact preservation, and yes, military cockpit engineering. You deserve to know this. Only 1% of people watching right now have ever heard of this combination being used this way, and that is exactly how they want it. So what is the solution? A used coffee filter and activated charcoal. That is it. A coffee filter, the paper kind you already throw in the trash every morning, and activated charcoal, which you can buy at any pet store, aquarium supply shop, or pharmacy for between $1 and $3 for a bag that will last you months. Together, these two materials create what scientists call a passive hygroscopic membrane system. Hygroscopic simply means moisture attracting. The activated charcoal, which is just regular charcoal that has been treated with oxygen to open millions of tiny pores, has a surface area so massive that a single teaspoon contains more pore space than a football field. And that is not an exaggeration. That is actual chemistry. Those pores trap and hold water vapor molecules from the air inside your car. The coffee filter acts as the containment layer. It is already engineered to allow air to pass through while holding particulate matter in place. Together, they pull moisture out of your car's interior air continuously, passively, and permanently, as long as the charcoal remains active. Now compare this to what the auto industry sells you. Anti-fog sprays work by coating your glass with a thin hydrophilic film that spreads water molecules instead of letting them bead. That film degrades within days. It does not address the moisture in the air. It just temporarily changes how that moisture behaves on the glass. You are treating the symptom. This method treats the cause. Professional interior dehumidifier treatments, they use the same activated silica gel technology, a variation of exactly what we are describing, but in an industrial machine that costs the shop $2,000 to own, allowing them to charge you $200 per session. You are paying $200 for what costs $2. The markup is not a business model. It is a scam. Here is exactly how you do this. Take 4 to 6 used coffee filters, or new ones, both work equally well, and lay them flat on a clean surface. Pour approximately 3 tablespoons of activated charcoal granules into the center of one filter. Fold the filter edges up around the charcoal like a small pouch, and secure it tightly with a rubber band or a small piece of tape. Make sure no granules can escape. You do not want loose charcoal particles in your car. This pouch is now your moisture absorption unit. Make 3 of these pouches. Do not make fewer than 3. The surface area coverage matters for a car-sized enclosed space. Do not use charcoal briquettes from a barbecue grill. Those contain binders and chemicals that will off-gas unpleasant odors. Use only activated charcoal, which is odorless and non-toxic. Place the first pouch on your dashboard, near the base of the windshield. This is the highest priority location because the windshield has the largest glass surface area and receives the most direct breath condensation from the driver. Place the second pouch on the rear parcel shelf, the flat area behind your back seats near the rear windshield. The third pouch goes under the driver's seat or in any corner of the footwell area. Moisture in a car concentrates near the floor because wet shoes, rain runoff, and cold air all sink. Now, and this is critical, do not seal your car airtight during this process. Leave a window cracked a ½ inch when the car is parked, if possible. The charcoal works through air circulation. It pulls moisture from the ambient air. If the air is completely static, circulation slows. A small crack allows passive airflow that dramatically increases the charcoal's effectiveness. Refresh the charcoal every 4 to 6 weeks by setting the pouches in direct sunlight for 2 hours. Sunlight heats the charcoal, releases the trapped moisture, and reactivates the pores, fully restoring absorptive capacity. 1 bag of activated charcoal, refreshed this way, can last an entire year. Do not microwave the charcoal to refresh it, sunlight only. And do not get the pouches wet. If they get soaked in a flood or a heavy rain leak, replace the charcoal inside. The results people experience with this method are genuinely staggering. Within the first 48 hours, most people notice their windows take significantly longer to fog, or stop fogging entirely during mild conditions. Within 1 week, even in cold, humid climates, interior fogging during normal use essentially disappears. One viewer in Minnesota, in one of the coldest, most humid car climates in the United States, reported that after 7 days using 3 charcoal pouches, their windshield remained completely clear through an entire week of sub-zero mornings. They had been spending $40 every 2 months on anti-fog spray. That is $240 per year. Gone. Permanently. Another viewer in the UK, where interior car damp is an epidemic due to the climate, said they had paid a detailer $180 for a moisture treatment that lasted 3 weeks. The charcoal pouch method has now kept their car clear for 8 months with 0 reapplication costs. The before and after difference is not subtle. This is not a slight improvement. Drivers describe it as transformational. The first time in years they got in their car on a cold morning and the windshield was already clear. Already clear. No waiting, no wiping, no blasting the defroster for 10 minutes, because the moisture was never allowed to accumulate in the first place. Results in most climates last the full active life of the charcoal. Refreshed every 4 to 6 weeks. That means continuous, uninterrupted clarity for as long as you own the car. The industry does not want you running this experiment, because once you do, you will never buy another anti-fog product again. If this opened your eyes, do something powerful. Hit the like button right now. Not for me, for everyone in your life who is still sitting in a foggy car every morning, wasting money on products that do not work. Subscribe, because next week, the secret gets bigger. There is a $2 grocery item that auto detailers use a version of in their $300 interior protection packages, and I am going to show you exactly what it is and how to use it yourself. The final tip, the one I promised would shock you, is this. That charcoal pouch on your dashboard does something the industry never mentions. Activated charcoal also absorbs volatile organic compounds, the toxic off-gassing chemicals released by plastic dashboards, synthetic seat materials, and adhesives inside every new and used car. You are not just eliminating fog, You are filtering the air you breathe every single day. They charge for air purification systems as a dealer add-on. You just built one for $2. You are not a customer anymore. You are free.